Namaste, wonderful souls. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered about increasing your height naturally and gracefully, you're about to embark on a transformative journey. Today, we're delving deep into the world of yoga to present you with the 10 most effective yoga poses to increase height. While genetics play a significant role in determining our height, these yoga poses can play a pivotal role in improving posture, elongating the spine, and boosting your overall confidence. So, roll out your yoga mat, find your center, and let's begin this journey of elevation. Segment 1: The connection between yoga and height. Before we dive into the yoga poses, let's explore the fascinating connection between yoga and height. Beyond its reputation for flexibility and relaxation, yoga can be a powerful ally in promoting spinal health and alignment. The poses we'll be discovering today work to alleviate compression in the spine, create space between vertebrae, and contribute to maintaining an upright posture. Segment 2: Proper alignment and technique. As with any yoga practice, let's remember the importance of proper alignment and technique. Approach each pose with mindfulness, listen to the cues your body offers, and avoid pushing beyond your limits. Consistency and patience are your allies. Integrating these poses into your routine regularly will yield the best outcomes. Segment 3 to 10 most effective yoga poses. Without further ado, let's dive into the 10 most effective yoga poses that can assist in your journey toward height enhancement. 1. Tadasana, Mountain Pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, rooting down through your feet while lengthening your spine toward the sky. This foundational pose fosters proper alignment and encourages a sense of elevation. 2. Bhujangasana, Cobra Pose. Elevate your chest and shoulders in a gentle back bend. This pose encourages the extension of your spine, supporting an upright posture and contributing to an elongated appearance. 3. Ustrasana, Camel Pose. Open up your heart space and arch your back, allowing for a profound stretch in the front of your body. As you create space, you're aiding your spine in its journey toward elongation. 4. Trikonasana, Triangle Pose. As you extend one arm upward and the other downward, relish in the lateral stretch this pose provides. Such lateral lengthening can work wonders for your overall posture. 5. Adho Mukha Svanasana, Downward Facing Dog. This iconic pose involves an inversion that elongates your spine while actively engaging your core and shoulders, fostering both strength and alignment. 6. Sarvangasana, Shoulder Stand. Embrace the inversion in this pose, elevating your legs and hips over your head. This action aids in decompressing the spine and promoting a sense of liberation. 7. Halasana, Plow Pose. Following the shoulder stand, gracefully fold your body, creating a stretch that reverberates through your entire back. Your spine will relish in the elongation. 8. Paschimottanasana, Seated Forward Bend. As you reach forward with your heart, feel the gentle traction in your spine. This forward fold nurtures flexibility and encourages your spine's natural curvature. 9. Ardha Matsyendrasana, Half Lord of the Fishes Pose. In this seated twist, find your spine's mobility enhanced. This dynamic stretch supports spinal flexibility and alignment. 10. Surya Namaskar Sun Salutation. Engage in this invigorating sequence that flows through various poses. With each movement, you're creating a sense of suppleness and promoting overall strength and balance. Segment 4: The Mind-Body Connection. Let's not forget the mind-body connection that yoga offers. As you embrace these poses, sync your breath with movement and truly immerse yourself in the experience. Allow the union of your mind and body to guide you toward a place of heightened self-awareness. Segment 5: Embracing the Journey. Throughout this yoga journey, remember that embracing your body and its unique attributes is just as vital as the physical practice. While height is a numerical value, the essence of feeling aligned, confident, and harmonious within yourself is immeasurable. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the 10 most effective yoga poses to increase height. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are keen on embarking on this transformative journey of height enhancement. Feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your experiences, questions, or any insights you gained. To continue exploring health, wellness, and mindful living, remember to subscribe to our channel. May your practice be a pathway to upliftment, not only in height but in spirit. Until next time, remember that the journey toward growth begins from within. Namaste.